Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Grand Bend Beach, a stunning stretch of shoreline nestled along the shores of Lake Huron in the charming town of Grand Bend, Ontario. This beautiful beach is a beloved destination for both locals and tourists, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and small town charm. Lake Huron is one of the 5 Great Lakes of North America. The lake's vastness and the gentle sound of waves create a serene and inviting atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely bike ride. This area is the heart of Grand Bend's social scene, offering plenty of opportunities to relax and enjoy some local cuisine or pick up a souvenir. The community here is warm and welcoming, and you'll often find events and festivals taking place throughout the summer months, adding to the town's lively atmosphere. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip in the lake, or simply enjoy the scenic views, Grand Bend Beach offers something for everyone.
Thanks for watching!